And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, tonight, notice the clouds coming in. We go mostly cloudy to cloudy tonight. Tomorrow's going to be a mostly cloudy to cloudy day and a windy day. We're going to get gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour out of the south-southwest tomorrow, with temperatures warming up very nicely, 51 to 56. By evening, a few showers develop. Still windy tomorrow night, but increasing rainfall. This is midnight tomorrow night, and this is 4:30 in the morning. This is heavy rain, and these are some embedded thunderstorms. So a few wintertime thunderstorms can't be ruled out for tomorrow night. And some pretty windy conditions around too. The rain relaxes a little bit on early Thursday morning. Still rain around, but it's just not going to be as heavy. Then more rain comes in for Thursday late morning and afternoon. But look what happens. The front goes south. We start to get freezing rain right here. So at 11:30 Thursday morning, you can see the pink. That's freezing rain developing. By 2 p.m., this will likely be freezing rain. This will probably be freezing rain and sleet, and then it will likely be snowing at Rensselaer, Morocco, and Kentland and Winnemac at that point. Then we look to the evening, and there's your freezing rain and sleet working southeastward, and here's your snow coming in. So we see a transition to snow for a good chunk of the area at that point, and then the snow continues kind of off and on into the night before it tapers off to just a few lake effect snow showers as temperatures absolutely tank. We're going to go from 50s to single digits. All right, so snowfall wise, this is looking into late Thursday and then right into Thursday night, 1 inch or less. Fowler, Monticello, Rochester, Logansport, Kokomo, Frankfort, Crawfordsville, Covington, Attica, that whole area. Romney's included, Battlegrounds included. Again, this will be enough to blow around a little bit, but also enough to slicken things up. 1 to 3 inches, Kentland, Earl Park, Remington, up to near Wolcott, and then close to Monon, Winnemac, and northward. Rensselaer's included in that. And then the heaviest totals will be in the far north: Enos, Morocco, DeMont, Wheatfield, Lake Village area, Roselawn, Fair Oaks. 3 to 6 inches of snow, and any snow will blow around too. Then we look at the ice accumulation. So we're looking at 1/10 of an inch of glaze on trees, power line surfaces, and up to 1/10 of an inch of sleet. That includes Kokomo, Frankfort, Crawfordsville, but also Wheatfield, Rensselaer, over towards Kentland. The greatest amount of icing will likely be right in the heart of the area. Lafayette, Attica, Fowler, Monticello, Logansport, Peru included. 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of glaze on trees and power lines and surfaces, and up to 1/10 of an inch of sleet. And then rainfall wise, this should say rainfall. I'm going to change that to rain for the 6 o'clock because I was working on this graphic. But you can see between the rain and the total amount of wintry precip melting down, 2 to 3 inches. So this is going to be a flooding problem too, because a chunk of this is going to be rain, and then a chunk, the rest of it's going to be ice and snow. But river flooding, a big issue late week and into the weekend. Ice jams an issue, and just a lot of creek and stream ice jams and flooding as well. So tomorrow, a warm day, a very windy day, gusts 40 to 50 at times, highs running in the 50s. But then we look to Thursday, we're 30s to 40s in the morning, then falling into the 20s and 30s. Strong north-northeast wind, and the rain changing to ice and then going to snow. 41 to 8 o'clock in the morning. 28 by 5 p.m. 70 forecast, normal high is now 38. Only 23 Friday. There are your falling temperatures on Thursday. 31 Saturday, but then another warm up with rain changing once again next week to snow and ice.